Living with gout isn't just about pain, it's about how it interrupts your life. The sudden swelling, stiffness, and flare-ups in your joints can strike anytime, often in the middle of the night. For many, this means sleepless nights, missed work, and avoiding their favorite foods. But what happens when you try gout relief? Let's walk through the actual experience.
Most users report the first noticeable change within 72 hours of starting gout relief. The tablets are easy to take, just 2 after breakfast and 2 after dinner with a glass of water. The early effects aren't just about pain relief. Thanks to a blend of herbal extracts, the body begins gently detoxifying excess uric acid through the liver and kidneys.
By the end of the first week, users often notice decreased swelling in the affected joints. For many, shoes that hadn't fit properly during flare-ups finally feel comfortable again. This is the period when the anti-inflammatory action of key herbs takes full effect, calming inflamed tissues and soothing the pain.
With consistent use, gout relief doesn't just mask the symptoms. It supports the body's long-term balance of uric acid, reducing the frequency and intensity of future attacks. Users also report less bloating and better digestion, better sleep due to fewer nocturnal pain episodes, improved liver and kidney function.
Prescription drugs like colchicine or NSAIDs offer quick fixes but come with long-term side effects: gastric ulcers, nausea, liver and kidney stress. Gout relief was designed to offer fast symptom relief without digestive discomfort. Natural uric acid reduction, herbal inflammation control, no dependency or rebound effect. It is suitable for daily use, even for those with a history of kidney or liver sensitivity.
Each tablet is carefully formulated based on traditional herbal knowledge and modern safety standards.
Who is it gout relief for? Individuals with frequent gout attacks, people with high uric acid levels, those who want to avoid side effects of chemical drugs, individuals with digestive or kidney concerns seeking a natural approach.
How to use gout relief. Take 2 tablets, twice a day after meals. Drink plenty of water to support detoxification. For best results, continue use for at least 30 days. Gout is painful, but it doesn't have to control your life. With gout relief, you're not just managing symptoms, you're supporting your body to heal, naturally and effectively. Ready to take back control? Buy gout relief today at your nearest pharmacy.
Don't forget to subscribe for more daily wellness tips.